All right, so a lot of you may know that I've been working on a new style fire trailer for the woods. The stuff you could buy out there just really isn't very durable. Made out of stamped steel, sheet metal frames and such. Introduce you to DHR FT-550. It's all 2x4 quarter wall box tubing. None of that ching chong stamped out bullshit. 550 gallon tank, 7,000 pound Rockwell axles, Honda high pressure, high volume pump, Cox hose reel. It's got a jug holder in the rear. Obviously it still has to be plumbed yet. It's got a jack mount in the rear, so if you get a flat tire, you just take the tongue jack off, put it back here, jack it up and change it. Speaking of tires, it's got 265 75 16 Cooper Max, a true 10 ply tire. None of that 14-inch ching chong car tire bullshit that these guys put on these things for you. If you notice, it's got a folding tongue. People are going to say, well, why do you want a folding tongue? The footprint is only 10 foot long. That way you could put it in a turnout and not have a crew bus or truck or whatever back into it like what usually happens. Secondly, if you notice this tower in the rear that the hose reel is mounted to, there's an eye up there. You can run a strap, chain, or whatever to the pintle eye of this, pick it up with your shovel and pack it. You can set it up on a bank. You can get it out of the way. You can move it to where it's not going to get smashed or fucked up. Yeah, this thing, it's a one-off. So the first one, prototype, not quite as perfected or perfect as I would like, paint-wise especially. Choice of paint was not ideal, but it's good. It's better than the shit you'll buy out there anyway, just not currently up to my standards. The tongue, it has locking braces on it, so you fold the tongue up, drop a pin into it, and boom, you're set. When you want to take off and go down the road, you pull these pins and you set the tongue down. Really easy one-man operation. You take your 3/4 inch push pin and put it right through the locking tabs. The hinge mechanism is tripled up 3/8 thick steel. Everything's double or triple pass welded. Brackets ProTech box. Production models will most likely have Wickham weld, but this is what I had to build this test unit out of, so I figured I would. Like I said, 550 gallon poly tank for lack of corrosion, easy view of water level. Forester can look and check and see what you have for water in there, if there's water in there or whatever. And if you got some jackass that decides to shoot your shit up, well, like what happened to us last year, you can easily patch and or replace this tank economically. Again, Cox hose reel, 100 foot of 1 inch high pressure fits on here, or you can neck it down or up to whatever size you want. Made in America, right here, made in USA, no ching chong bullshit. True bearing, live rotator on there, and pretty much everything I wanted in a fire trailer when I was logging, but couldn't find, so I decided I'll just build it. Still have to run the wiring on it and the lights, which will be all LED. Multiple tie down points, multiple lift points for it. You can lift the trailer off these hooks if you so desire. Wouldn't recommend it, but you can. Everything is got greasable zerks on the suspension, and really that's about it. In my opinion, this is the finest trailer that will come to market. This prototype is available and production will be happening anytime. Orders are open. You know, we're taking orders on it. Also, we'll build you custom stuff, whatever you want in a trailer, what you don't want in a trailer. If you don't want a folding tongue, if you don't want the rear tower, if you don't want to be able to lift it and pack it, we could build that for you too. Reach out with any questions or comments. Thanks, guys.